Hello, welcome back to my channel. Mariam here, and today we are making vegetable spring rolls, and you cannot afford to miss this recipe. Look at that, very crunchy. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, let's begin. These are the few vegetables we are going to use, and I begin by grating my carrots. Please remember to wash your carrots, okay? I normally do all those things off camera just to keep the video short, and you can decide to dice your carrots into smaller sizes instead of grating it. Anytime that I'm making a tutorial, I love to use ingredients that are very common and they can be found everywhere in the world. That is why I chose these common vegetables, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use your preferred vegetables, okay? So we are done with the carrots and we are just going to rub through the vegetables, okay? So then remove the whiting inside here. We don't need that. Okay, perfect. So we gather that aside. And the next one is onions. We are just using 5 different vegetables, okay? Okay, done here. We set that aside, and the next one is spring onions. Finally, our cabbage. Hello lovelies, we are done here and our vegetables are ready. I have my cabbage here nicely shredded, carrots, onions, spring onions, and also green pepper. And of course we'll be needing protein, and I'll be using smoked fish, and this is going to take our filling to another level. In a pan, I pour in vegetable oil, not too much, okay, just a little. We don't need too much, and then we allow it to heat up. We are doing this on low heat, okay? So I then add my onions to it, and then I go ahead and give it a stir. To that, I add my cabbage to it. So I then stir everything together and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, okay? And I'm doing this on low heat. You don't supposed to overcook vegetables, okay? So keep your heat on low. It's already 2 minutes, so I then add my carrot to it. I add my green pepper, spring onions, and also my smoked fish, and this is gonna take our filling to another level. So I add Maggi to it, okay? This is Maggi I turn into powdered form. I add salt just to your taste, and finally chili pepper. So then go ahead and mix all together. And remember, we are still doing this on low heat because we don't want to overcook our vegetables. Let's have a taste. Oh wow, everything is on point. The salt is okay. Always taste your food to know you are on the right path, okay? It's very important. Hello lovelies, finally our filling is ready. Take a look. Oh, it's already looking yummy, so let's set that aside. And these are our spring roll sheets. I have a video on how to make these sheets at home. I'll leave it in the description box. Guys, do go and check it out. It's a very simple method and everybody can do this, okay? And I have my glue tool ready. This is a mixture of flour and water, okay? And of course our filling tool is wrapping live. We set that aside, so let's begin the filling and the rolling. So this is 1 tablespoon. All right, so we then close it gently. Don't mind the edges, okay? After folding, you'll not see the edges again. And when it comes to the folding, it all depends on you and also the size and the shape of the sheet. When your sheet is round, the folding may be a little bit different from when it's square. So this is how mine appear and it's adorable. So we are going to repeat the same process over and over and over until we finish all the sheets. I'm not going to use all the sheets anyway. I'm going to leave some. Also, remember that there's no a specific formula for folding your spring roll, okay? The most important thing is that it should be well folded and glued. That is the most important thing, but there is no a specific way to fold your spring roll, okay? So take a look. Easy. So I glue the edges and then fold it nicely, glue the edges again and then close it. So simple and easy. Because my sheets are not of equal sizes, so of course my spring rolls too will not come out equal sizes. Yeah. And all is set now, and as you can see, some are very big. It's because I actually fill in with a lot of the filling because I want to enjoy my vegetables to the fullest. So let's begin the frying process. Now the oil is well heated. Please drop in the spring rolls gently so that the oil doesn't splash on you, okay? Oh, it smells so good here. I can't wait to have a bite. So I take this one out and our first batch is ready. Lovely, so you are all invited. And these are those that are actually loaded in with a lot of the fillings. I can't kill myself, guys. Ramadan Kareem to all Muslims across the globe. May Allah answer our prayers. Ameen. Hello lovelies, finally our vegetable spring rolls are ready and let's have a bite. As you can see, very crunchy. Oh my, you are all invited and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video until I see you on my next video. Stay blessed and much love.